Hi guys, how are you doing? How is your day going? 5:21 p.m. where I live. I hope your day is going well. Mine has been. Hope you're doing well. I'm grateful, being happy, no matter what. There are situations that would have made me sad, like a little worrying, but I have so much to be grateful for that I don't have enough lot of time to spend on the few things that are not going well. I just can't. I cannot let the negative things to overshadow the more positive things I have going. So I'm choosing instead. The volume is too high. I'm choosing instead to just celebrate the things that are perfect. Because I know God is still in control. Not because I'm perfect. No one is perfect. Not because I'm righteous. No one is righteous. My righteousness is like a filthy rag in front of the Lord. In fact, I'm a wretched sinner. I must confess that. Okay? But I know it is for someone like me that Christ came. What can I tell you? But what I know is I'll continue to take shelter under the shadow of his wings. So anyway, I like I said, we all go through trials and stuff. This was not even directly, well, it's my child, not directly me, but also directly me, if you know what I mean. My daughter was homesick. The one that is now in university, she was homesick. She was really homesick. She really needed some love. And I can just imagine how hard that is. You know, you're home, you're being taken care of, you're being fed, prepared for. You cannot do anything. But now you're somewhere where you have to do that all on your own. Besides dealing with what you're really there for, which is to like study. So it's a lot. You can imagine it's a lot for a kid, and for her, she's like out of state. So anyway, we were able to go there. Surprised that she didn't know what coming. She didn't know what coming. I didn't tell her. And I was concerned. I said, I hope she's not tracking me, because they used to track me, both of them. They'll be tracking me. Sometimes I'll be at the study, but oh, Mom, we see that you're at the store. Can you get us this and that? So I was like, oh God, I hope she doesn't track me. But the other one, while they were tracking me, remember one time I was to go and surprise the other one, my oldest. And not knowing she saw us coming. Oh God, I got surprised for her birthday. And I'm going to say, I saw you guys coming. I knew you guys were coming. I saw you. I'm like, oh my God, it's really surprised. Anyway, so I was like thinking the same way, like, I hope she does not track me and see us coming all the way here. There. Luckily, she wasn't. She was busy with school and stuff. She wasn't tracking. She didn't know we were coming. It's a very far place. I think like 275 miles one way. So anyway, we drove. Just one. So anyway, we when we got on the campus, we're like, "Hi, Missy, how are you? Where are you?" She said, "Mom, I'm at school. I'm in school." I said, "Yep." We were like laughing now in the car. I said, "Yeah, we know. But we are here." She said, "You guys are here where?" We said, "We are on campus right now." Ah, she was pleasantly surprised. She was emotional. So you guys came all the way here? Like, yeah. Ah, she was so happy. And I prepared some local food and for African food. You don't know how much showing love for somebody can change their whole perspective for the better. The girl that was sad, just able to function, go to school and stuff, but you can tell that she needed some maybe hugs and just the presence, your presence like that. You're just missing home a lot. So she was really, really happy. She was really. Say, Mom, I didn't want to cry, become emotional outside so people don't start feeling sorry for me. Say, why are you crying? What happened? Before she met us, she said, because I was so surprised that you guys came all the way from home just to see me. So, of course, why not? I want to do that. Anyway, it was really nice. She was so happy. She was taking them, no, let's get food from this restaurant. They sell nice food. Let's go get donuts from this other place. I'm like, and she didn't want us to drive. She wanted us to walk. These kids are controlling her. I'm like, so why don't we just drive and go park in one of the restaurants and get the donuts? I said, Mom, it's not that far. For me, it was. But we did one day. I've never seen a donut with bacon on it. But I guess I checked that now. Anyway, he was really nice. He was she was really happy. She's all good now. Happy going around life. Love. There's something about love. When someone shows you love, it puts a bounce on your step. It makes your skin radiate. It makes your everything, your overall outlook on life different. She's now so happy. So I hope if you have somebody you need to show love to, whether it's your kid that is in college or your husband or your wife, your children, whether in college or not, your neighbor, whoever needs some little bit of attention, I hope you find time for it. Because you wouldn't know how much of an impact that will have on somebody. Huge. For me, love have great impact on me. If I don't feel love somewhere, somebody better fix stuff. If I can't be there, I can't. I don't know how to do that. I don't know. No. Love does not mean the person is perfect, but in spite of, you look at them in spite of their imperfection, you're still being kind. That's what love is. Love is complete kindness. So I hope you remember to be kind. I hope you know that if there's ever a negative situation, you don't pay attention on it as much as you can be grateful for the things that are going well. You know? So I know her grades were good. I didn't focus on the negative part. Like, you're just in school. You just need to study your book. It's beyond just studying those books. Quite a lot. Every day they go to school, they are throwing new information. They expect them to know those things for the next test. So it's like going. And everyone is there to do their laundry and stuff. So for me, I still do my kids' laundry only because it's easier. Just do everything. Laundry there, just do laundry. So, So anyway, it was it's like a family trip. It was nice. And she's happy too. So it's a win-win. We all won. Yes. Show love. Okay. You can be walking around, maybe going in the store and you see somebody. Sometimes just a smile will change somebody's perspective. Like, oh, there are good people in the world. Sometimes just attention. You know, somebody is stressing out. You just show them smile, a pleasant face, or just a nod. You won't know how much of an impact it will have on somebody that is looking for a little bit of hope in humanity. Let's recognize each other and help each other out. Be kinder. Okay? Alright, so I just wanted to let you guys know that love is a wonderful thing. Don't hide it. Show it to the people that are needing it. Okay? Well, think about you guys a lot. And I hope you're loved. And I hope you have someone to love, especially if you need one. Okay. Alright, well, have a great day and let's love each other. Bye.